I'm doing laundry in the truck stop right now, and you could use an account for this. This is so cool because I got $5 free credits for signing up. How you doing? Now I'm putting my laundry in there. So you can see behind me, the rain is starting to come in yet again here, just outside of Flagstaff. And it's funny about the laundry thing. The laundry has an app to go with it, which I'll display right here. And the funny thing is, when you get the app and sign in with your email address or your Google account or Facebook or something like that, it gives you a free $5. Great, right? Here's the problem. As I use the app, and here's what's funny. With that $5, you think that would pay for the whole wash and dry, because that's what it says on the app. Unfortunately, the dryers and washers at Pilot Truck Stop are $2.75 each. Therefore, going over that $5 account with 50 cents. So you think you would add maybe 50 more cents to your account or something like that. Nope. The minimum amount is $5. So now I have a balance of $4.50 after them giving me $5. But I have $4.50 of free money in there, and my laundry is going to be clean in about 40 minutes. Now, what's funny about that too, the app actually tells you when your laundry's done or what machines are free, which is pretty awesome. So you take the good, you take the bad, you take it all, you got the facts of life. Nice, we got a little rainbow. It's standing in the middle of a rainbow. Rainbow going in the mountain. Woo, full rainbow. Actually, that is pretty cool. Going straight into that mountaintop over there. It's nice to see that after a bad day of rain. Well, the funny thing is, I really have nothing to do tonight except for an online meeting. I'm pretty happy about that. I got at least 3 25-ounce beers in there. So it's like a 6-pack. And I'm going to drink them tonight. But tonight, the temperature is going to drop down to the 47 degrees. It's going to suck. Watching a little van cave now. Haha. Hi, van cave. Van cave. Yeah, van cave. It's just so funny at what I have to do for entertainment when I'm by myself. Just watching random YouTubers that I subscribe to and trying to cheer myself up. But seeing that rainbow actually worked really well today. Tonight, I think I'm going to cook some mac and cheese because it's going to get cold tonight. Might need that carb belly, keep me warm tonight. So also, it'll take a long time to boil water. So it'll probably heat up the van pretty good too. Yeah. And since it's cold today, I don't have to buy new ice because there's still ice in my styrofoam ice chest. I like to take this moment right now too. Some of you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon account. It's listed right there. Boop. And that account, that does my actual daily blogs, like things that are happening right now. So if you want to know exactly where I am, it's going to be on Patreon and stuff like that, because my videos are a little backdated. So you might have realized that when I say about meetings I'm supposed to go to or where I'm supposed to be and stuff. It's a little backdated, but I'm always here for all the people watching me and stuff like that. And you can find that stuff on patreon.com. I don't put it on Facebook because I don't want to ruin my magic clients right now, because I don't want them knowing that I'm in a van, maybe pooping in a bucket or doing a wet wipe shower thing or something like that. But now you know where to find my Patreon. Ha! So now I'm eating my mac and cheese right out of the pot because I don't want to make a mess out of another bowl right now because I'm in the van. Thank you for watching my video today. Give me a thumb up if you like my video, and you can always comment. And remember, down in the information, you can see all the stuff in my van, and you can always go to Patreon too to see me. Bye-bye.